Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Sam Miniatures. Tonight I will give you another awesome HO scale locomotive review, and it's a Blue Tiger DE-AC-33-C manufactured by Mehano. Well, Mehano is a Slovenian manufacturer and produced several European and American locomotives. They have two sections, that is Prestige and Hobby line. Prestige section contains highly detailed locomotives in HO scale, and Hobby line contains basic high-speed train sets like TGV, ICE, etc. in HO scale. Well, this Blue Tiger DEAC 33C has been manufactured by Adtranz in association with General Electric with a massive horsepower of 3400. Currently, Pakistan Railways use these locomotives, but they are actually not manufactured now in the European countries, or not used now in the European countries. So let's look at the box. You can see here it's written Mehano with HO scale model, and this model belongs to Prestige series. That means it's a detailed model. The box is a solid box, and you can see the some 12 volt DC with 16 volt AC. That means they produce models with DC and AC in both. And again, it's written Mehano, Slovenia, the company's address with email. And this side you can see this is a DCC sound locomotive. I will show you the sound, impressive sound of this locomotive later. BT2 OHE. OHE means the livery and item number this, and these are the sounds. And I got it from Rails of Sheffield. It's pre-used but in exactly as new condition. As it's pre-used, it not contains any instruction manual in this box, but there are some extra details in a plastic bag that I fitted to the locomotive. Now let's see the original picture of the model, and then I will start the review. Stay tuned. So let's start the review. Now look at the locomotive. It's a long locomotive like our WDP4D with dual cab, you can see. And let's look at the front. There are numerous details, as you can see. The steps are perforated, the buffers are not sprung. I don't know why the European locomotives have no sprung buffers. The manufacturers don't have this option. Only the UK locomotives have this. There are fine grab irons, you can see that. Separately applied windshield wipers. In the roof you can see horns, flasher. This is actually workable. I will show you. The driver's cab is there, figure is there in the cab. As you can see, some dials and controls. And what a bogie! Look at that. The bogie detail is awesome. As you can see, all the springs and all the stickers are accurately done, with all the pipe works have been installed accurately, and each and every part you can see these are separately applied. The damping suspension, this part, these pipes, these are all separately applied. Sorry. As you can see, the warning stickers, the fuel tank. This side again there is no driver figure. These grills are fine mesh over there. As you can see, the holes are also there. Fine mesh grills with all the roof details. As you can see, these all grab irons are separately applied with metals. As you can see, the handrails are also metal handrails. This side you can again see all the details. Like that is number is 330092 and its livery is OHE. It's a beautiful locomotive. I managed to collect this from Rail of Sheffield. Now I will start the running section. I will be back. Stay tuned. Now let's show you the running session of this locomotive with some sound effects. I'm using, as you can see, Bachmann Dynamis DCC controller. First, the engine start. The horn and another horn. The lights are on. And also you can see the pressures are beating. Now I will change the direction of the locomotive. Now I will stop the engine. Beautiful engine locomotive from Mehano. The flashers are still on. I will off this. Thank you very much for watching. Good night.